Hello guys and welcome to another video on Excel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a data entry form using the Excel. So let's get started. So first what I'm going to do here, I'm going to type in the SL or serial number, okay, and then I'm going to type in student's name, and here I'm going to type in date of birth. In here, I'm going to type in father's name. Here, I'm going to type in gender, then address, contact number. Okay. Now we want to align them and we want to adjust them, right? To do that, I'm just going to select all of these and take them and select all of these. If I go here and I press on the align, you can see here that it aligns at the center, right? Like this on the center, and I can just adjust whatever I want to. So I'm just going to keep the serial number a bit um, small, and student's name, just going to adjust every single one of them. Okay. Okay, there we go. All right, now that we've done that, so now I'm going to select this one and I'm going to adjust it um, very small, because basically the serial number row always turns small. Okay. All right, that's done. Now after that, um, I'm going to select every single one of them, press enter. Okay, and here I'm going to just delete all of them. Now there's a reason for that. Now I want to merge all of these above here. Okay, once I've selected it, I'm just gonna press on merge and center, and in here I'm going to type in. So here I'm going to type in student admission details. Okay. All right, done. To make it much more appealing, I'm just gonna turn it bold, and I'm going to turn these bold as well. Take them, select them, just apply the bold font here. Okay, so once we're done, now I want to select this row and I want to make it a bit bigger here. Okay, and I want the font size to be much more bigger as well. Okay, that's perfect. Maybe a bit, maybe a bit smaller. There you go. So now I'm going to select all of these and I'm going to increase their font size a bit as well. This would be fine. Okay, and they're already bold. That's good. Now I'm going to select this, the whole sheet, and I'm going to select font size for this as well. Let's say let's keep it in this one. All right, that would be great. Okay, that's done. So now we're going to select the bar, the student admission details, and we're going to change the back color and the font color. So the back color, I'm going to select something appealing like this one. And for the font color, I'm going to select, let's keep it in white. Okay. Okay, much better. Now we're going to select all of these as well and select back color for them. Select a back color for them. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, that's much more like it. So now I want to apply some borders. To do that, I'm going to select some cells here and not much, just from here to here. Okay, and I'm going to go up here in the borders and I'm going to select all borders. Okay, all right. So now we have all the borders here. So now what we're going to do here is we're going to select, if we go here and uh, you can see here that there is a quick access uh, form here, right? So here we can find the form option here, right? So this is going to help us to select uh, all the options here easily. So first I'm going to so I'm just going to type in 1, then 2, and then I'm going to select these two. And then if I just drop it down like this, you can see that it selects all the numbers for me. Okay, all the serial numbers. So now that we've done that, we're going to apply the datas. To apply the datas, we're going to just select from student name, cancel. We're going to select this from the student name to the student. We're going to select this, and then we're going to uh, click on the form option. Okay. Once we click on the form option, there will be format here. So we're going to click on OK. Now you can see that we have a sheet here, right? We have a sheet here. So in here, we're going to fill up the student's name, first student. So we're going to fill up the student's name. Let's say Jimmy. So Jimmy here, we're going to delete it. Jimmy Jones, date of birth, gender. Okay, so once we've typed this, we're going to select new. Once we do that, you can see here that every part has linked up to the criteria. Like in address, it's Alabama, contact number, and gender male, father's name Ken Jones, date of birth, and the student's name. Now, to write the second one, you just have to type here again, just okay. Now, to select and the second row, you just have to click on the new, and you can see here that it's applied all of them. Okay, so now if you want to add another one, for instance, let's say just type in new, you can see we've got the data here. Okay, now if you want to delete any of them, just find it. If you go find previously, find previous, just select it and you just select the delete one, and okay, it'll get deleted just like that. And so that's how you use this. That's how you make the form. Okay, so I hope this was helpful, and please practice at your home